Hey YouTubers, what's up? Brother John here. Guess where we're going today? We're going, I'm telling you, you know you're in the country when you go to a tractor and farm equipment show. This should be interesting. Never been to one of these. My good neighbor is part of this. He helps organize it. So we're going to go. And yes, I am here with my lovely wife, Deb. Are you excited about the tractor show?
It's going to be beyond awesome. Beyond awesome. Ready? Here we go.
I'm ready.
Hey, YouTubers!
Now that's an old tractor.
Oh my gosh, let's be honest.
Look at that. Look at that thing.
Oh my gosh.
There you go, everybody. The tractor pull experience.
Okay, look what's going to drag me down there. This makes this so interesting to our polls. Having two sleds. Lots of excitement.
Oh yeah, I'm totally excited.
We have that big sled working now.
Oh yeah. Man, look how fast they're going. Look at that drag race. Man, this sure. Man, that car's got nothing compared to this.
94 feet with a 5 feet. 94 feet. That's it.
Yeah.
That's the black smoke coming out now.
Tow truck.
So that's it. You got the front end up.
Oh my God.
Can we get like a demo?
And this distance of 191 feet.
Oh wow. Yeah. Exciting. Man, tractor drag racing. Yeah. Feel the energy. What's going on down there? Look at that. Uh-oh, he's going pretty fast.
Okay, we got a track crew down there. We got pretty much put it on the streamer. We're right behind the drive, no switch on the roller.
Deb, isn't it exciting? Isn't that fun? Tractor drag racing. What's going on? We're going over racing. Here we go.
This is so awesome.
Okay.
Look at that thing go. Look at him go. Look at him go. Look at him go. Yay. Oh yes, the excitement is building up at YouTube. Man, look at that smoke. Yeah, they're dragging. Look at that. Look at that. That's a pretty cool looking tractor. Smell that carbon monoxide. Oh yeah. Smell it, everybody. Yeehaw. Oh boy. Oh wow, they are over 99.
And Gary had all the power, just couldn't get it to the track.
Oh boy.
This is something that I've never been to anything like this.
Me neither. This is definitely interesting. What's it?
That was 173 feet for Daniel Heckman, and for Gary,
173 feet. That must be a world record. What's the point?
you look across on the fence over there, you'll see it.
That's right,
The
everybody.
white sled, you have the printout right there on the fence. So
We're at a
see
tractor
that
pull in
on the
Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania. Okay, there we go. We're going to get this. This is a woman short. They're different.
The Mr. Burnett went all over 149 feet.
All right, Debbie. She can get the distance that her husband
North
is.
Dakota, then
All right, Debbie. Debbie, I didn't know you on a tractor. Look at that. There goes Debbie. I can't zoom in. There, bye, Debbie.
You can see all the way he shot on that tractor to get it up to 9,500 pounds.
There, she got all the ladies.
194.
Ooh, yeah, 194 Debbie. Isn't this fun, everybody? Yeah, the tractor pull. Debbie's Debbie! Why you got back here so fast, Debbie? How was that pull? How did it feel, that speed, man? Let's see what he can do. here. National Contractor, everybody.
You got to remember they're pulling in the same weight class, so what that force to do with that power there.
Please don't start. Please don't make me laugh a lot. Please.
Why did you Seymour? Come on, Seymour. Seymour's pulling it.
All right, he's just taking his time, slow and steady.
He's pulling it slow and steady, everybody.
Remember, he got that force weighing in, what that Oliver weighed in.
Come on, Seymour.
Lord.
Everybody.
When is he coming
There
back?
goes Seymour.
When's the Lord coming back?
Got to go further than 149.
Come on, Seymour.
All right, look at Seymour over that bar.
Right now, Seymour's pulling it.
105.60. Running the open class.
Oh, yeah. Go, Seymour. Go, Seymour, yeah.
Any more practice for that open class? Come on in.
Oh, yeah, Seymour. All right, Seymour. Seymour pulled it well.
When we say open class, these guys in 500-pound plastic. Come on in.
Uh-oh, here we go, there we go. Come on. Come on. Uh-oh, he's doing wheelies. You saw that? You missed that. He's doing little wheelies there. Look at that.
Okay, 500-pound stop. We need to...
Whoa, 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 whoa. He's doing tractor wheelies.
500-pound stop. All right, there you see this.
Little problem there. Everybody here, here's the flyer. This is the Pocono old-time farm equipment, anti-tractor, gas engine, and farm equipment show. Yeah. All right, now we got some action going here. Yeah. Come on, kick it, baby. Yeah. Smell it, baby. Smell those. Hi everybody, just standing right here on my, you see, this is my neighbor Rob, and he'll be pulling too. There he goes. He's the one who invited us for this tractor pull. There you go. There he goes.
Okay, you have to follow the on the ground. And the distance for Bob is
196 feet. All right. Yeah, I got another one. Well, everybody, this is Bob's tractor. He was at the pull. Bob, tell us about this tractor, Bob. Tell us about this tractor, Bob. Come on over here, Bob. Come on, tell us about this tractor.
It's a 1957 John Deere 420. It's a utility model, and it took me 2.5 years to restore it.
Wow.
I stripped it down to nothing, took it completely apart, and put it back together.
Wow.
Redone it, yeah.
1957, huh?
Yeah.
52 years old.
52 years, that's 52 years old. No.
Deb, this tractor's older than you. It's 52 years old.
Older than me.
And how old did you just turn, Deb?
Come on.
Rebuilt and for sale if anybody's interested.
Yeah.
Very good. Very nice.
I have other ones. I'll do another one over.
You have another one?
Yeah, I have another one sitting down here.
And there she is.
Yeah, it took me 2.5 years. I stripped all over,
See?
took the engine out, the axles, hydraulics were totally apart in my shop down there, and I painted it myself. Yeah.
Very nice. Some more tractor pull, everybody. Here we go. John Deere 4000. Come on now, yeah. Come on, push it, baby, push it. Push it, push it, push it. Oh, Miss... Ma, you enjoying the tractor pull? Are you having a wonderful time, Mother? You sucking in those carbon monoxide fumes? Feels good? She's ready to go. You ready to go?